Hey guys, the Creative Siblings here. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy Easter basket. What you will need for this is one piece of paper of any colour of your choice and another piece of paper but an off cut because we don't need much of it. A ruler, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, a pencil and an eraser. The first step is to grab your ruler and place it alongside the piece of paper and draw a little dot where the 18 centimetre mark is. You want to now place your ruler alongside the piece of paper again and draw a dot where the 15 centimetres is. And it's always easier to put 15 centimetres right on the end of the piece of paper and just draw the little dot where the 0 is to make sure that your measurements are correct. Now from where the 18 centimetre line was, just draw a line. Maybe if you want to just make sure it actually is 18 centimetres. Turn it around and connect this line to this dot. Now you want to grab your ruler and put it along the 15 centimetre line and draw one dot where 5 centimetres is, or a little line, and another dot or line where 10 centimetres is, and then rule a line straight across to the other side of the paper. Now you should have 3 sections, one with a ruled line, another section with another ruled line, and the third section with the ruled line for the border. Now you want to grab your ruler again and put it alongside the paper and draw one little line or dot where 6 centimetres is and another line or dot where 12 centimetres is. And when you're ruling along the page, you only want to do 2 sections. So from the first section, from that middle line to that way, and from there to there. So there should be no lines in this middle section at all. Grab your ruler again and do the same for the first line that we did. Now grab your ruler and just make sure that it is 6 centimetres, and if it is, draw a little line or dot where 2 centimetres is and another one where 4 centimetres is. Move the ruler, check if the first section is 6 centimetres or about 6 centimetres, and draw a line or a dot where 2 centimetres is and 4 centimetres. Now you want to rule the line going like this and also missing the middle section like we did before. Now we should have 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. This first section should have one big square in the middle that has no lines, and the 2 on the side should have 2 lines in each with 3 sections. This middle section should have no lines, and this last section should look exactly like the first section. Now you want to grab your scissors and cut along this line and this line. Your paper should now be looking like this. You want to grab your scissors again and along the lines that we drew before, so 1 and 2 and 3, you want to cut along them for each 4 sections. Now you want to grab your ruler and place it alongside the paper again, just this middle section. And you want to draw a line or a dot where 3 centimetres is. Turn your paper around and do the same for the other section, this part here. Now you want to make sure that your ruler is lined up in this corner, just there, to the line or dot that we just drew. And same with the other side. Now, grab your scissors and cut along that line. this part and fold it along the line. Same with the other side. Now you want to hold your paper up like this, and with this first one, you want to grab it and you want to glue it up to where it doesn't hang off the edge. So not like this, just like that, and it looks flush. Once you have glued that, you want to grab the first one for the other one as well and do the same thing. It should now be looking like this. Now with this second one, you want to pull it straight and that one straight as well. Like that, and glue them. It should now be looking like that. Now with these last ones, you want to grab it and you want to glue it so it's pulled down a little bit, and you get the effect of the lines on the basket, as you can see. That is what the first side should be looking like. Now you want to repeat the same steps we did for this on the other side. Your basket should now be looking like this. Now with the other colour piece of paper of your choice, you want to grab your ruler and about 1.5 centimetres wide, you want to rule a line and cut that out. Now on the remaining piece of paper, you want to draw 2 circles. You can trace this or you can just freehand. I'm just going to freehand them, but they have to be quite big. And now you want to cut them out. Now once your strip of paper is cut out and your 2 circles are cut out, you want to grab your glue stick again, and on one side of the strip of paper, put a little bit of glue. And you want to glue it about halfway down of the basket and make sure you're covering the pointy bit of the basket. You want to do the same with this other side as well. Once you have glued the handle on, it should be looking like this. And your final step is to put a little bit of glue on the circles and gluing them just like that. So covering the end part of the handle and doing the same with the other circle for the other side. And now your Easter basket is all complete. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and put the post notifications on so you are notified every time we upload. Please comment down below also what you would like to see next. Bye!